Here I've got ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone. To do it, simply tap on power key and then select power off. Tap one more time to power off the device. And once it's off, you have to tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together. And once you see the ZTE logo, you can leave them and wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see now, we are in Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume up and down keys, and for selection you should pick power key. So now you have to find wipe cache partition. Here it is, and smoothly tap on power key to perform this operation, then scroll down to yes and tap on power key to select it. And that would be all. As you can see, cache wipe complete, so we can either reboot system now, or you can also power off the device and then turn it on one more time, but I will pick reboot system now, and within a couple of seconds we will be back in the normal mode with all applications and features active. And that's it. As you can see, here you've got it. Now you can use your device in a normal way. You completely wipe cache. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.